Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Room. Everybody loves to change up their look here and there. Some like dark eyes and some wish to have lighter eyes and want to try contact lenses. Or some just have a weak eyesight and prefer prescribed contact lenses over prescription glasses. But the problem is, how do you put them in your eyes? So in today's video, I'll show you how to put contact lenses in your eyes. If this is your first time trying to put them in, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. So you would need your contact lenses, your contact lens solution, which you can buy from any pharmacy or beauty store. Firstly, wash your hands with soap and running water, get rid of any dust or bacteria off your hands, leave your hands wet, get your contact lenses and place it in the middle of your hand and just squirt some solution over the contact. Then use your ring finger, rub the contact lens gently, making sure you don't rip it. Now just pick it up on the tip of your middle finger, making sure it's the right way up. Keep the lens on the index finger, looking straight into the mirror. Pull your lower eyelid down. Try placing the lens on the eyeball and not on your pupil, or else you'll just freak out and fail because no one likes anything coming close to the eye. So the trick is, don't aim for the pupil, aim for the eyeball. Now pull your top eyelid over your eye and move your eyeball round and round. Okay, everything's fine. I can see. I'm not blind. I haven't poked anything out. There we have it. Okay, let's try it one more time. Look straight into the mirror. Pull your lower eyelid down. Aim for the eyeball. Again, the eyeball, not the pupil, and then cover it with your top eyelid, like so. Move your eyeball around, and that's it. As you can see, I've applied a bit of mascara, tried to look a little cute, but that's it. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.